Hello guys, welcome to Prism CAD Academy. This is the introduction video of Creo Parametric. This is a homepage of the Creo Parametric software where you can find new icon, open last session, select working directory, erase not displayed, model display, system appearance. So first we see new icon. On clicking new icon, the new window will pop up where in types you will find layout, sketch, part, assembly, manufacturing, drawing, format and notebook. These are known as models. This module requires file type. In file type, space is not allowed, so you can write it like part 123 or part dash 123 or part underscore 123. Common name you can give related to that object like angle, box, etc. In open icon, you will find folders from where you can open your previous projects or current projects. Now select working directory. As the name suggests, you can select your working directory or specific folder for storing your models. You can create new folder or you can choose your old folders. Now every time you click on open, your selected directory open by default. Now erase not displayed. As the name shows, erase not displayed means you can erase the models which is not displayed on your screen, means they are running in your session on your RAM. So you can open them by clicking on open left side panel from session. You can directly open them, or otherwise you don't want it, you can close this and click on erase not display. They will erase from your RAM. So this command very helpful while opening the large assemblies. Now model display. By clicking model display, various functions and settings will open from where you can change the properties of the software. You can change the themes of the software and system appearance. This is a shortcut for the themes. Now we are look various modules individually. So first one is layout. Here is three options: use template, empty with format and empty. You can select any one. You can create layout of any system like PCB, shop floor layout like that. Next is sketch. In sketch, you can create various sketches. Next is part. In part, there are three subtypes: solid, sheet metal, bulk. Here you can create solid models. Next is assembly. In assembly, you can assemble the three models as you required. Next is manufacturing. You can perform manufacturing operations on the solid models like milling, lathe operation, wire radium. Next is drawing. In drawing, You can create drawing of solid model as well as assembly model. Next is format. You can create a format for specific template or specific company requirement templates. So these all about the introduction of the Creo parametric. In later on videos, we are covering sketching module, part module, assembly module, drawing module, and their practicing videos. So stay tuned with us. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.